So students, welcome to this class. As you know, we are studying chapter 12, areas related to circle. So this is the name of chapter, areas related to circle. And students, you know, in previous class we have studies about areas of circle, circumference of circle. Here we have a circle of radius r, and area, you know, area of circle is equal to pi r square. Similarly, C for circumference. Circumference means the boundary of this circle is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, and the relation between diameter and radius. This is diameter, center O, AB is diameter. So we can say that diameter of circle is equal to 2 into radius, or radius is equal to diameter upon 2. So students, this is basic thing, and now we are going to tell you about sector and segment. We have a circle, center O, and there are two radii. First radius is OA, second radius is OB, and you know the area bounded by radii and arc of the circle. This is an arc. ये स्टूडेंट आर्क है. द वी कैन से द एरिया बाउंडेड बाई रेडियस यानी रेडियाई एंड आर्क ऑफ सर्कल इज कॉल्ड सेक्टर. तो स्टूडेंट दिस इज ए सेक्टर. ओके, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड माइनर सेक्टर आल्सो. माइनर सेक्टर. देयरफॉर द पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड मेजर सेक्टर. तो स्टूडेंट्स, here in this diagram sector has been cleared. Okay, now we will talk about segment. See here we have another circle of radius r. You know, area of sector is a area bounded by radii and arc. Similarly, in case of segment, if we draw a chord, AB is an chord, CHORD, then you know chord divide this circle into two parts in area. So each part is called segment. The area bounded by arc and chord is called segment. This is the first segment, and the portion above is called another segment. We can say this is major segment. Major segment, and this is called minor segment. Minor segment. So student, it is clear that chord divide a circle into two segments. We can say minor segment as well as major segment. And it is a very simple question that if you are asked to tell you what is the longest chord of circle, longest chord of circle is diameter is the longest chord. Okay students, now write down these diagrams, facts. So okay students, now question number 4 of 12.1, exercise 12.1, question number 4. Now question is, the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 kilometer per hour? The question is this, student, that we have a car and wheel of car is in diameter. This is a wheel of a car having diameter 80 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, radius of wheel d upon 2, that is 80 upon 2, which is equal to 40 centimeter. Okay. Now, if car travels, in other words, if a wheel covers a distance in one revolution, distance covered by wheel in one revolution is equal to circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r, and radius of the wheel is 40, so 2 into 22 upon 7 into 40. So this one is called the distance covered by wheel when car travels. So if wheel rotates, the distance covered by wheel in one rotation or one revolution is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 40 centimeter. So students, write down this part. Now we will solve other part. Write fast. Okay. So students, we have to calculate number of revolutions done by wheel of a car. If car covers a distance in 10 minutes at the speed of 66 km per hour. So now we have a speed of car 66 km per hour. So this speed we will convert into meter per second. So here is 66, right? Okay. So 66 multiplied by 1000 meter upon 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. Further, 66 multiplied by 1000 into 100 centimeter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter upon 3600 second. 0 0 cancel out, 6 6 are 36 and 6 11 ja. Now we can write 11,000 upon 6 centimeter per second. Students, this is the speed of wheel in centimeter per second. But car have to travel up to 10 minutes. Car takes 10 minute time. So now we will convert 10 minutes into second. See here. Time taken by car is equal to 10 minutes, and 10 minutes is equal to 10 into 60 seconds, that is 600 seconds. Now we have time and we have speed, so we will find distance covered by car. Thus distance covered by car or wheel is equal to, distance is equal to speed into time. Yes, minutes. Okay. So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 1100 upon 6 multiplied by time is 600 second. this will be in centimeter. 6 1 जा 6 100 times. Now this is, it was 11,000, so 11 and 1 2 3 50 centimeter. So this is the distance covered by car or wheel in 10 minutes. Okay. Now number of revolutions done by wheel is equal to total distance upon circumference of wheel. So then write down so now students, we will put the values of total distance upon circumference of wheel. So here is equal to your number of revolutions is equal to total distance is 1150 upon nothing here, but upon this is centimeter, and upon the length of circumference is this is on the distance covered by wheel in one revolution, that is circumference of wheel. So we will write 2 into 22 upon 7 multiplied by 40 centimeter. Okay, cancel out. Now आप इसको लिखेंगे ऐसे 2 into 22 multiplied by 40, 7 into numerator. Now we have to simplify it. 0 0 cancel out. 11 2 ja 22, 11 1 ja 11, 1 2 3 4 zeros. Cancel out. Now again 2 5 ja 10, 3 0. So we can write 5,000 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 4. Further 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, that is 25. No, 25 not 1000, 2500. So we can write here 2500 multiplied by 7 upon 4. 4 6 ja 24, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20 into 7. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, you are correct. 4,375.
4,375. So this is your answer, and wheel will take 4,375 revolutions to cover the distance traveled by car in 10 minutes. So students, this is your answer, right? So students, now we have a formula to find area of sector and area of segment. So as you know, we have a sector radii OAB, and this is sector, where this angle belongs to theta degree. Okay students, this theta degree is angle. So formula area of sector. To find area of sector, students, we will use this formula pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Theta is an angle between two radii, that is angle AOB is equal to theta. The value of theta will be given. Okay. Now length of arc, this is the arc L. So the length of arc length of arc, that is L, is equal to formula 2 pi r theta upon 360. To write down these formulas, and area of sector is this, length of arc, but we have to find perimeter of sector. Write down perimeter of sector is equal to, see here diagram, perimeter means the area bounded by an arc plus 2 radii. So we can say r plus r is plus 2 pi r theta upon 360. So finally 2r plus 2 pi r theta upon 360 is the formula to find perimeter of sector. Okay. Similarly students, for segment, if we have a circle and center O, these are 2 radii, angle is theta degree, then the area of this segment, we will find the area of segment using formula directly, and formula is area of segment is equal to pi r square theta upon 360 degree minus 1 upon 2 into r square sin theta. So students, this is the formula to find area of segment directly. With the help of this formula, you can calculate the area of segment. So write these important formulas. Have you written? Okay. So students, now we will solve some more questions from 12.2. Question number first, then third. So okay students, now exercise 12.2, question number first. Question is, find the area of sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is 60 degree. So we have to find area of sector, radius is given 6 centimeter, make diagram, and the angle of this sector is 60 degree. So here we have radius is equal to 6 centimeter, theta is equal to 60 degree, and we have to find the area of this portion, which is sector. Thus area of sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Okay students, now we will put the values is equal to pi, we will use pi 22 upon 7. So 22 upon 7, r means 6 square, theta means 60 degree upon 360. So students, here 0 cancel out, 6 6 ja 6 times. So we can write 22 upon 7 multiplied by 36 upon 6. Okay, 6 6 ja 36. Now 132 upon 7 centimeter square is the answer. So write this solution. It was the solution of question number first of 12.2. स्मूथली। तो ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट, एरिया ऑफ quadrant, question is what is quadrant? We have a circle and 2 diameters. Each circle can be divided into 4 quadrant. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and last 4 quadrant. Each quadrant is at 90 degree. So if we want to find area of any one quadrant, so we can use directly formula 1/4 into area of circle, यानी pi r square. You can write here pi r square upon 4. So this formula you will use to solve question number 2 of 12.2. This is the formula to find area of quadrant directly. Write this formula. And come to question number 3, which is very important. Question 3 is the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So questions over. Now question number 3. We have a minute hand. So we have a watch, WATCH. In this watch 12, 3, 6, 9, and we have a minute hand watch like this. OA is a minute hand. Minute hand means मिनट की सुई. तो we have to find area swept by this minute hand in 5 minutes. So this circle belongs to watch 12, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 like this. These points belongs to 5 minutes each. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So this minute hand after 5 minutes reach at this point. ये मिनट की सुई आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स कहाँ पहुँचेगी? इस पॉइंट पे, बिकॉज द ये 5 मिनट्स है आपका, ठीक है. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस पोर्शन. वी हैव 14 सेंटीमीटर इज द रेडियस लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. तो वी हैव रेडियस 14 सेंटीमीटर, द लेंथ ऑफ मिनट हैंड, and we need to find angle theta. We don't have directly angle. We know at O there is a complete angle, and complete angle is 360 degree. At O there is complete angle which is equal to 360 degree. Okay, and in terms of minutes, minute hand, if minute hand covers one revolution, then how many minutes this will take? Total 60 minutes. देखिए आप जब ये मिनट हैंड सुई चलेगी तो एक राउंड लगाएगी पूरा, तो क्या आएगा? 60 मिनट्स. टोटल टाइम टेकन बाय मिनट, टोटल टाइम इन वन रिवोल्यूशन is equal to 60 minutes and 360 degree. So 1 minute is equal to 360 upon 60, that is 6 degree. So the relation that if minute hand goes or covers 1 minute, then it moves 6 degree. And in this question, minute hand goes 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is equal to 5 into 6, that is 30 degree. Or we can write 5 minutes is equal to 30 degree. That is minute hand will cover 30 degree distance. Distance means angle in 5 minutes. So theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now we have a radius. Radius is a length of minute hand. Theta is angle when minute hand goes in 5 minutes, and we have to calculate the area of area covered by or swept by minute hand. So we can write thus area swept by minute hand is equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Right value 22/7 multiplied by radius, radius 14 square, angle is 30 degree upon 360. Now solve it and you will find your answer.
Chalk there.
So okay students, so you will solve the or you will simplify this and you will get your answer. So now we have started 12.2. I hope you will solve some remaining questions with the help of these formulas, area of sector, area of segment, etc. So in this exercise there are 14 questions and all questions belongs to word problem. So first of all you should read your question carefully, then try to solve. Take help from diagrams also. So okay students, now we would like to conclude here. Sorry students, and we will meet on next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Okay, thanks.